VOO versus SPI. In this video, I'm going to compare two really great ETF funds, and I'm really excited for this video. My name is Marcus, and I love to create videos about investing. Now, if you want to find out more about ETFs, how they work, and how we can make money with ETFs, I created a course. You will find it down below in the description. Now, let's start and let me show you everything. Expense ratio, the overlapping, the assets under management, you will learn everything. Now, when I come here and I'm going to show you the main difference straight away in the start of the video, and then later I will show you also some interesting stuff. So watch it whole. First thing first, owner. For VOO, we gotta have Vanguard, and the issuer for the SPI is a State Street Global Advisors. Many say that Vanguard is more trustworthy, that Vanguard got better history, therefore people trust more to like in Vanguard. So in that regard, VOO is winning. Now the next thing is expense ratio. What expense ratio means? It means that we would say it's a management fee, right? You see that VOO got 0.03 and expense ratio of SPI is 0.09. Now there is a difference that for $1,000 you're gonna have higher fee for SPI. This also affects kind of the dividend yield. So when you come here to Vanguard, let me show you this. I know that I'm jumping around, but I really like this and I like to talk about numbers. You see it right here. This is a Vanguard VOO year-end yield, and you see it right here. 2020, 2019, 2018. Let's go last 3 years. And then we're gonna see it right here. Dividend yield history 1.52, 1.75, 2.04. It's kind of similar, but you see the expense ratio affecting this too. But why is it really similar? Only because the holdings are overlapping for, I don't know, really high percentage. We will get to that too. Now let's go further and let me show you. Another thing, average daily volume and assets under management. SPI got higher asset under management comparing to VOO. Now, when we look on pricing, we see the VOO is at this point 422 and 69. Okay, that was a really bad joke. I'm so sorry. SPI 461. So VOO is kind of cheaper. And even when you look on overlapping of effectivity and how well is performing, both are performing really well. So like imagine if it would be, let's say 2015. Every single month you would be investing from 2015 to 2021. You would be making so much money, right? So this is really great. And that's something that I would definitely recommend to even like continue investing and just like learn how you can make more and more money in your job, in your business, side hustle, whatever. And yep, you'll go really long way because I love ETF. That's my best investment that I'm making right now. Definitely check ARK ETFs. Those are so damn good. Now, when we go even further, let me show you going further. So expense ratio is more expensive and SPI. Issuer is better in my opinion in Vanguard. Then we see number of holdings. This is something that I want to show you, that I prepared a fund overlap, and you see it right here. What are the really similarities here? Weight in SPI, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, they are really similar. Look at this, 2.3%, 2.3%, 2.1%, 2%, 2%. Now, when we look even here, check this. Technology, everything is same. They're like copying each other. When you look on a top 10 winning holdings, they're around like 30%, 28 and 29%. You see that Apple, Microsoft Corporation, they're all similar. You need to really check out by yourself if you are identifying with the companies, because when I'm investing into ETF, I analyze those companies they're investing to. Like Alphabet is from Google with ads. Amazon, Microsoft Corporation, these are all good companies. Nvidia. JP Morgan, I don't know if I like that one. Yeah, but if you like it, it's all right. Now, you can always see right here, all those companies that they have like Netflix here, But there is like what? Weight in VOO, weight in SPI, 0.8% Netflix, Home Depot, Johnson Johnson. So you can really check it out by yourself. And you see non-overlapping exposures right here. And 99% of VOO 512 holdings are also in SPI. So this is another really important thing to know about this. Now let's go even further. See, then we're gonna have the value. Again, similar, the metrics here. And that's pretty much it from the comparison standpoint. Now, if you have your own opinion on VOO and SPI, let me down below in comments. Personally, I would choose VOO. That's what I would do. And if you want to find a way how we can do it, there is like how we can buy VOO. There is an early investment. Again, link down below in the description that you can check out and register and test it out by yourself. So that's what I would definitely recommend. So to summarize this whole video and what we learned. VOO got less expense ratio comparing to SPI. It got better history regards of Vanguard, but SPI got more assets under management. Also, the average daily volume is higher. The number of holdings are relatively the same. Average spread or median tracking difference, 12 months, you see that is like the difference is huge here. 0.14% and 0.03%. But as you can see, they are heavily overlapping performance here. SPI 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, 10 years. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. When I look on the costs here, on the performance factors, it looks really well. The overlapping is the same, but the price is different. On SPI, it's more expensive comparing to VO at this point that I'm making this video. Definitely check the course down below in the description. I believe that it can be really helpful about how we can understand ETFs much better. And I was really excited to create that course. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. And again, any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Write down below your own thoughts on your own opinion on VOO and SPI. I'll be really happy to hear that and listen to those. And yeah, you're amazing just the way you are. And I hope you're going to have a great day. And don't forget that strong hands will win it further on the journey. What do I mean by that? Is that you need to like just have a huge emergency fund and invest and learn how we can make more money, and you will dominate the world. Thank you, and have a love and a lot of friendships. That's so damn important. Goodbye.